Plumbing today. Plumbing today. That's a vent. That's where a tub goes. It's the kitchen. Next to the window. Back. It's kind of hard to see. It's dark. Or bathroom. Shower. Maybe a dog wash. Men vent. Toilet. Lavatory vent. What happens is you start right there. Then you drill through this top plate and go out. That's your vent for your lavatory. That is your toilet. It's gonna be your big tub, standalone tub. Shower, master shower. Drain. Another lavatory. We'll see how I can put this video together. All the vents are tied in. We started at 7, give or take. It's 2:30 now. Almost the whole house is done. There's 5 of us. All the vents done. Whew. Blue collar day. All bath, shower, kitchen.